Alright guys, going to do a laundry retrieval with the new laundry hamper, Space Saver. And we'll just take the golf cart. Alright, we did go to our house today. I packed up some Windex and paper towels. Cheryl hit some of the windows again on the outside that the cleaners didn't get. So we got those looking a little better. And I took the RV ladder. So we took the RV ladder and got in there and went into the garage. There's one bulb out, ceiling bulb out in the kitchen I couldn't reach, and there's a bulb that had a loose connection, a couple bulbs in the garage. I repaired those, as you can see here in this clip. And Cheryl also took some wood crown pins, paint pins, and touched up some of our wood cabinets. They came out fantastic. The lighting in the garage is fantastic now, and everything's looking good. Now, in this video, near the middle or the end here, you should see, if everything goes well, the photographer came and showed up. I met him there yesterday evening. He was there for a couple hours taking professional pictures and drone shots. So in this video you should see our listing. I should be able to pull it up. It's going to be either today, which is a Saturday, or Monday coming up, and we'll see how those pictures turned out. I'm anxious to see. You guys have already seen a live, or kind of live, on a previous video of a full walkthrough of our house with it completely emptied and cleaned and painted. So we'll see if those pictures do it justice, right? That's what I'm hoping. Fingers crossed that it looks like $1 million. So anyway, let's go in here and get this laundry out.
Now I'm on the rise. I'm versatile, yeah, I'll flip the script. Changing the game, baby, I never slip. Head up, I'll move it right to the top. Every door I open, I'm ahead of my time.
Alright, so they got 2 laundry rooms like this in this resort campground here. I'm in here, and it does take credit cards, makes it easy. I did some a comforter and some towels and some regular clothes of ours. So we're going to load them up over here. So $225, and these are $225 a load, right? Alright, let's get these fired up. Oh yeah, another thing I did at the house, I had to replace a tank flush kit in the upstairs bathroom. That went down good, no leaks, and it's working perfectly now. For some reason the auto fill valve was clogged or stuck, and it wasn't refilling the tank bowl. So that's all fixed. And I did replace a dimmer switch on our chandelier, so that's all working properly now. Good to go. Now, we got 60 minutes. We'll come back in about an hour. So yeah, this RV resort does have some perks. It's nice that we have a place to do our laundry, because that's one thing I missed that our Tiffin had. Was we had a laundry washer and dryer combo, and that worked out really well when we were traveling. But you got to give up something if you want those other features, like the garage and office and back patio that folds out. I guess you got to give and take what you want, and I'd rather have those features and just have to stop once in a while, or hopefully find a facility like this that does have a laundry room. and we make it work. So what else is new? Oh yeah, I am waiting for, we did have my father cremated, so at a local facility here, and that process was done. I just told them to hold them until we get death certificates from, I guess, the county here, and we'll go ahead and pick him up. So in the near future, we're going to have to make it right. We're going to get my mom's cremation remains and my younger brother's that committed suicide several years ago, and we're going to all take them all up to Kentucky. That's where my mom and dad were. They had plans to be. When something like this happened, they wanted to be at this little cemetery place on a hill in Kentucky near my dad's hometown because it was so peaceful there. My mom was really pushing for it. So everybody in the family is looking forward to them all being together in that quiet little place. And I'm looking forward to giving them that last wish. So here we are, same spot. Everything's working out pretty good here. Alright guys, we got everything taken care of. We got the photos finally done at our house that we're posting for sale, and I'm back here in the office this evening in the office garage of the Outlaw. So I want to show you here, we got the pictures and actually the whole listing uploaded by our realtor yesterday evening. So, and all the pictures, I looked through them all. They look really fantastic. Now you guys saw, the actual walkthrough with me. Look at how these pictures look. They look really good, and we've got a lot of attention on the site as well that I'll go over. A lot of saves on the property and a lot of views. So, and that's just within a few hours. It's almost been, I think, about 24 hours listed. So let's take a look. Here we go. This is on Zillow, and it's on all the top, realtor spots, realtor.com, Redfin, stuff like that. So this is on the Zillow site. And if we just scroll down here first, see it's been on one day on Zillow. 1,016 views, 76 saves of this property so far. We've got it listed with Kirk at Keller Williams Realty. And here's the description if you want to pause and look at that, but I'll just go over the highlights. What's special about this house? It's got the in-law suite separate out by the pool. It's got a fenced side yard that we had for our doggies. It's got the elevator TV built in that we kind of used as a security monitor. It's got a lakefront lot, which the lake is out back. It's got the pool courtyard. It's got a power entry gate and private oasis, which it is, as you've seen. Now, it's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath house, 3,905 square foot. It was built in 2007. It's got just a little over a half acre on this lot, and it's saying our HO is $198 a month, and we're asking $269 a square foot for this at this figure. What's that? $1,050,000. And here's the first photo. We'll go in and we'll just quickly go over these, take a look at them. This was a simulated night photo the photographer made, and this was the actual photo. And I was here when he took these photos. That's our new front doors we had put in just months ago. There's our televator TV fireplace, which I built, and the other accent wall, the projector screen wall. And that's what we call it, the lake room. Look at the views out there through those windows there. It was awesome. The coffered ceilings up here. And notice the paintwork. I mean, everything looks really, really sharp here. We had it painted intellectual gray on the interior. if you're wondering what color this is. But it turned out really sharp in the pictures. This is the hallway, bath, and office study area. And I just redid this with wainscoting down on the lower section of this bathroom and repainted that myself. That turned out really nice looking. This was TW Home Show studio right here. This was my studio office right here, all nicely, freshly painted. Another angle of it. And then our master bedroom suite with the built-in cabinets and our custom travertine with the custom pattern layout in here that we had done. And notice, well, you can't notice, this was not freshly painted, but it looks like it in the photos. I mean, it looks beautiful. We got a his and hers walk-in closet that I added the built-in cabinets to a few years back. This is the master bath. And the cleaner's got this glass, all the spots off. It looks sparkling clean. We had these doors and trim painted in here. And then up, let's see, this is the dining room. This was actually Cheryl's office because we don't really use a dining room. We had that breakfast nook anyway and the kitchen bar. But if you're standing back here, look how big this area looks. And this is a little side hall bar area and our walk-in laundry room and our kitchen area, double sinks, 2 sink faucets. You could see out to the pool. This was the breakfast nook area right here. And then plus, I mean, I mainly ate at the bar. I just installed this propane gas top myself. I had to cut in through granite for the first time, which is challenging, but I got it done. It looks nice. And I like this because it's got the hinged grates that you can hinge up to clean it easily. And I had added this years ago with the faux stone front on that bar. And you saw me a few videos ago where I had to replace the fireplace here, and we added this fireplace feature and a nice big view of the pool from this front living room. Another view. This has some coffered ceilings in here as well. This is the breakfast nook area right here. Our chandelier we had cleaned. We hired out to have that professionally steam cleaned and had to replace all the bulbs in it. All the bulbs were burnt out except for one, the middle one. So we put all brand new bulbs and had it steam cleaned just weeks ago. And then here we'll just go through quickly. These are the upstairs bedrooms. We just had, and a couple of the bedrooms have their own balcony, like this balcony here, the fun balcony. And that overlooks the pool, that bedroom balcony. And all the carpeting upstairs was replaced a couple months ago, brand new carpeting. Cleaners did a great job up here as well. Here's the back lake room balcony. Beautiful sitting out here as well. Here's the view from standing over the balcony. We're going to leave the solar panels there, as of course you can see. And that patio, back patio, I designed it, drew it out, and I found a company. I interviewed 3 companies to build it for me because it did stop right here where the balconies were. And I added all of this and contracted to build all this screened area here. It's huge. And it's still, when you walk like out the side door here, walk down to the lake, it's a big hike down there. It doesn't look like it here, but it's still a big backyard. This is the in-law suite here, bathroom. In-law suite with walk-in closet. This is out by the pool, as you can see right there. In-law suite walk-in closet with its own water heater. And the nice pool with the pool feature wall I just redid with lighting. In-law suite little bar kitchenette area, and I just put a new fridge underneath this countertop as well. This we're leaving there. Nice barbecue area out on the back porch area right there. And the raised deck tile flooring I installed here several years ago, still looking fantastic in the garage. And we got a few drone shots. They turned out nice. So you can kind of picture where the house is located on the lot and how the pool is like in the middle of the house almost. And then you got the separate back porch area from the pool where the lake is out the backyard here. Again, showing how many solar panels we have at the house. So that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. So now we're excited, and I got a little bit more to tell you, so stick around. So guys, that was it. I'm real impressed with the photos, and I am really impressed with the realtor as well, and the overall listing process went very good. And we got one showing already within the first few hours of it being listed. So that's going to be a showing that is going to be, I think, Thursday or something. And then we've got, also today we got 2 more showings. So 3 showings total coming up. I don't know why they didn't want to come out and see it right away, you know, like today. That's what we did when this house first came up. We had to come and see it. We found it the one night, we discussed it back and forth, me and Cheryl, and we're like, we got to get a hold of realtor. We want to see it first thing, or we want to see it the next day, tomorrow. So, but we'll see what happens, and it's a good sign. We've already got 3 showings, and I can't wait for the feedback, at least if we don't get any offers, the feedback. So just kind of tells you, you know, well, what is the house lacking? You know, when you're the owner of the house and you've lived in it for several years, you kind of don't understand that or see it for yourself. So that'll be good feedback. Thank you for tuning in to another one of my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.
I wanted to know what it's like to drive down Sunset Boulevard with you. And I just want to take one more bite of everything and every avenue. Like cold drinks, summer night. Let's get a little too drunk. Are you down? 'Cause I just got to know.